Are you eating your breakfast? Hmm? Why don't you turn around so we can see that cute little face of yours? Hi. Hi. Okay, just a little bite, monkey. Yeah, you're a monkey. Oh, 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 ah, ah, ah. What is that? Oh, 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 ah. Oh, 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 ah, ah, ah. That's what a monkey says. Monkeys eat bananas. You have to peel it down. Here, give me that chopstick. Peel it. You're not going to taste very good. Here, put this aside and peel your banana. Peel it down. No, 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 no. Peel it. No. Oh. Come here. Alright, here. Alright, you figure it out. Bye-bye. Come here. Come sit down. That's not going to taste very good, Issa. Gotta do some sit-ups. Issa, that's so gross. Ew. You want me to peel it for you? Yeah? Come here. Here, sit around so you can't see me. Here, peel it. You're welcome. Peel it. Oh, I'm just so hungry. Gotta eat that banana. Oh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Are you a monkey? What are you looking at? Your toes? Oh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Yeah, you talking to your banana? Say A. B for banana. Yeah, A. Yeah. That's your nose. Nose. Where's your eyes? Ew, don't pick your nose, please. Where's your eyes? You got something in your nose? Alright.